Unlocking the mystery. What does breakfall mean? Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss: the term breakfall. This phrase might sound a bit unusual, but by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in a sentence. Let's start by breaking down the term breakfall. It is a compound word made up of two words, break and fall. When we think about these words separately, break can mean to cause something to separate into pieces, and fall means to drop down from a higher level to a lower level. However, when these words come together as breakfall, they take on a specific meaning in the context of martial arts and physical activities. In martial arts, a breakfall is a safety technique used to reduce the impact when a person falls to the ground. The main goal of a breakfall is to protect your body, especially your head and spine, from injury. Practitioners learn how to position their body and use their limbs to absorb the shock of the fall, allowing them to land safely. Now that we understand what breakfall means, let's look at how to use it in a sentence. During the judo class, the instructor taught us how to do a breakfall to prevent injuries. It's crucial to master the art of breakfall when you're practicing any kind of physical activity that involves a risk of falling. In both sentences, breakfall is used as a noun to refer to the safety technique used to protect oneself when falling. And that wraps up our discussion on the term breakfall. Remember, understanding the context in which a term is used is key to grasping its meaning. I hope this video has been helpful in clearing up any confusion around this term. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more English language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and stay safe.